The shock-absorbing structure features the superior performance of the Gokiso hub. The Gokiso hub's unique design concept is incorporated to the rear hub for a smoother delivery of power. This simulates a bike ride on uneven ground. These bumps are obviously affecting the energy transmission of the bicycle. Gokiso rear hub is designed to minimize the vibration-caused loss of energy generated by each pedal stroke. Two different torsions were applied to the rear hub. First, a stress from a weight. This upright force is applied to the rear hub through the wheel. The instantaneous load to the hub becomes 2 to 3 times the load when a bike hits bumps on the road surface. The other type of tension comes from a chain gear. This is a tension that stretches forward. These two tensions, if directly applied, twist the shaft and result in loss of the rotation energy. The Gokiso's rear hub is designed to prevent these undesired impacts on the hub. This is a cross-section diagram of the hub. In order to keep the shaft flex to a minimum, the rigidity has been enhanced with an increased thickness of 5 times the thickness of the shaft generally used. The rear hub has 2 rotations that work independently. One is a wheel rotation and the other is a gear rotation. The key for efficient energy transmission is to maintain balanced distribution of loading force to these rotations. There are 7 low-friction shield bearings used in the hub, 4 bearings for rotation and another 3 bearings for a gear that delivers energy from a chain. By distributing these bearings to the highest extent possible, the stress applied to the hub is also equally distributed. As a result, the possibility of deformation is minimized. However, the impact from the rough ground surface cannot be fully covered with a reinforced shaft and precise alignment of bearings. The shock-absorbing structure solves this problem. The ground impact is absorbed by flexing. This mechanism is designed to prevent the shaft deformation. Thus, the rotation energy is efficiently transmitted to the wheels without interfering with the gear hub rotation. In other words, the energy is delivered without the impact of road bumps. A ratchet transmits the rotation energy from the chain and gear to the wheels. Each claw has a spring and it bounces up and down. This time, it is rotating backwards. When a tooth is engaged with the claw, the entire energy is delivered from the chain to the wheels. Gokiso rear hub has a 46-tooth ratchet with 4 pawls. 2 pawls among the 4 pawls are arranged at a diagonal position, and each is engaged with the teeth, making 92 engagements with a single ratchet rotation. Angle clearance is less than 4 degrees, allowing more sensitive response to a racer's pedal stroke. Limited clearance also minimizes so-called loose feeling that racers experience in pedal strokes. This is another feature of Gokiso's design to maximize the effective energy transmission. This technology was developed for cycling pioneers to ride to the finish in the harshest racing conditions. The innovation to optimize a bike racer's performance is packed into this small component. Gokiso, with its unique structure being fundamentally different from traditional hubs, will create a new bicycle world you have never seen before.